Hi boys and girls. I want to show you one of my favorite activities that I sent home in your last materials bag. In your orange folder, there is a packet with some pictures. There are also some graph papers. So that's what I'm going to show you. The first picture in your packet is this one. It shows a giraffe. It's called Jeffrey Giraffe. You can pull that one right off of the packet. And since this giraffe is kind of tall, you'll use your graph paper the tall way. If the picture, like the next one, is a truck and it's facing more horizontally, then your paper would be this way. But for today, for Jeffrey Giraffe, I'll show you how to do this. You would have your paper tall. You might need your mom or dad to come and help you to put the first dot. So let me put this up on my whiteboard over here, and then I'll turn my video so you can see the whiteboard. There's my graph paper. As you can see, Jeffrey Giraffe, there's a little dot right here, and that's the starting point of my giraffe. And what I'm going to do, put my glasses on. I can see that the starting point is up kind of near this upper left corner. So I'm not going to put my starting point way over here. I'll put it closer to my upper left corner, right around there. You can always have your mom or dad help you with that. Another thing you might want to have them do, or you can also do, is pick a place on your paper. Maybe I'll go up in this other corner. And what I do, and you can show your parents this, I'll put an up arrow and I write up. I put a down arrow and I write down. This will help you later. I put a left arrow and write left, and a right arrow and I'll write right. You might not know your left from right, but these papers really help you to learn your left and right. Now, down at the bottom are the instructions. I'm going to fold my paper in half just so that you can see the instructions better while I'm working. Right here, number 1, it tells you what to do. It's either going to say right, left, up, or down. When you see the you know it says right, and then it says 2 spaces. If you use a pencil, then if you make a mistake, you can erase. For this demonstration, I want to use a pen so you can really see it. So the first thing I do is starting at the dot, I go right 2 spaces. A space means going all the way to the corner. That's 1 space, 2 spaces. Can you see how I went to the corner and to the corner? Don't stop part way there. That's what a lot of students do. Then cross off that direction. Number 2, down 4 spaces. That's a lot. So I have to go down 1, 2, 3. I try to stay on the line. And is that all the way? Nope. All the way to there. 4. Number 3, right 3 spaces. If you don't know left and right, you can look right up here. Oh, right. 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Cross it out. It's important to cross it out so you don't forget and do the same thing again. Number 4 says down 5 spaces. Ooh, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to cross that out. Next instruction. Left 1 space. Let's see. Left is back toward me. 1 space. Cross that out. Up 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm halfway done with my instructions. Number 7, left 2 spaces. Left is this way. 1, 2. Cross it out. Number 8, down 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, I know I'm going very quickly right now. I wanted to just show you how this works. You can stop the video and move along with me, or you can watch the whole video and then do your own. And remember, if you make a mistake, that's okay. Either erase it and start over, or you can just get a new graph paper. Next, left 1 space. Left is this way. Oh my gosh, look at this next one. Up 8 spaces. I have to count so carefully. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I almost went all the way back to the top. That must be the giraffe's neck. Now, left 1 space. There's only one direction left. You know what I like to do? I like to cover it, and then I like to try and predict what it will say. I think it's going to say up 1 space. Let's see. Up 1 space. Now, they turned theirs into Geoffrey Giraffe like this. You can make it even better. You can put Geoffrey Giraffe's nose up here. You can give Geoffrey some ears, an eye, maybe a mouth. You can give Geoffrey some spots because giraffes have spots. You can give him some little hooves. You can even draw in another leg so he's got all 4, and maybe a little giraffe tail. So you can make your giraffe how you want it to look. And that's how you use those graphing instructions and those graph papers. Remember, it helps to have your parent give you this key or guide until you know left and right. Also, it helps if they put the first starting dot so you don't put it in the wrong place. All right, I hope that made sense, and have fun with it, boys and girls. I'll assign those sometimes.